Before we dive into the Filecoin cost expectation, basically let us view a portion of the exceptional highlights of Filecoin. Today the web in a real sense is a definitive ruler. World over, a mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Nonetheless, in the event that the wellspring of the information especially isn't veritable, or the information explicitly isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a calamity. Understanding the meaning of an organization that could be completely trusted for security and capacity, Filecoin explicitly was created by Protocol Labs. Joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain, this kind of interesting stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on numerical calculations. Filecoin, the vision as an open-source, public, cryptographic money. Filecoin is a computerized guide made with the essential target of blockchain-established information capacity and recovery. The credit of beginning of Filecoin goes to Protocol Labs and expands on top of the interplanetary file system, which works with clients overall to free up and lease the unutilized space in most certainly hard drive. Filecoin Network has uniquely made its digital currency fill for dealers and financial backers, as well as foundations, permitting them the office of exchanging on different trades and helping them from cost accelerations. Filecoin adapts client data, and the remarkable quality of Filecoin is that it, in every practical sense, is altogether decontrolled with no guideline in the background, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Filecoin Features. What stands apart? The whole environment of Filecoin moves around 3 points of support that end up tackling the computerized resource fill. The primary substance is the clients who are responsible to will generally share information of a particular, especially record and capacity, alongside a charge. Then, at that point, there are diggers who explicitly are responsible to store the previously mentioned information and furthermore relate subtleties on how much space in every practical sense is accessible on the hard drive, which they can additionally propose to clients for usage. In any case, to profit from the really ideal usage of hard circle space, turning into an excavator, it is an essential that you save your opening, which is very huge. When the digger has left the record sent by the client got on the blockchain, it won't be encoded. This is one of the most vital activities of the Filecoin stage. Vantage, Filecoin, what is in it for me, or so they basically thought. The main inquiry that arises here is, how to guarantee that information is fittingly and safely put away. Here comes the job of proof of replication, or so they thought. This is a nodal factor that identifies the particulars of information transmission. The Filecoin network explicitly has made up for this reason. Fill the local symbolic that takes care of the stockpiling of records as well as guarantees their protected recuperation, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Microsoft, Bill Gates had authored the explanation, business at speed of thought, which is genuinely huge. The equivalent is valid with Phil's speed of execution. Since the very whole environment of Filecoin spins around the decentralized convention, the whole interaction works quickly and being widespread, Filecoin can be utilized by any substance ready to impart part of a hard drive to different clients, which generally is genuinely huge. By end of 2022, the cost of Filecoin will be $22.315, with hopefulness posing a potential threat in coming not many years between $22 to $38.43. Following 1 year, Filecoin cost could go down to $1.282. Filecoin fill shows a bullish pattern for the next few years, in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to our Filecoin cost expectation, the cost will average $25.74 in 2022, $28.53 in 2023, $29.91 in 2024, $37.18 by 2025, and again a ruined $33.89 in 2026. Filecoin price prediction 2022. The Filecoin cost fundamentally is estimated to truly reach $19.51 by the start of 2022. Amazingly, the normal, especially most extreme cost on the potential gain is $27.12, and on the off chance that the fill token denotes the downtrend, It might exchange around $23.94. Filecoin Price Prediction 2023. According to the Filecoin (FIL) cost conjecture for 2023, the token could arrive at the truly most extreme cost of $31. Furthermore, in the event that it couldn't figure out how to record a potential gain energy, then according to Help Level's estimation, the money could exchange around the cost of $25.71, which is very huge. Filecoin Price Prediction 2024, which is very huge. According to the drawn-out Filecoin cost forecast, the FIL cost will arrive at new highs and could cross the $33.88 cost mark. In any case, on the drawback, the Filecoin cost might exchange around its nearby help around $23.82. Filecoin Price Prediction 2025. Filecoin cost expectation and the specialized investigation has been a considerable undertaking for the best of specialists. Helpless for what it's worth to advertise feelings, another obstacle is the extreme rivalry traveled its direction in contrast with BTC and different monsters. While on a hopeful scale, the cost of Filecoin may sort of reach $46.24 that is anticipated toward the finish of 2025. The Filecoin group should extend its points of view by bringing genuinely more collusions. A reassuring digital money expectation for later long stretches of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the cost of Filecoin is ready for an astonishing excursion, posting significant development by 2025. Filecoin Price Prediction 2026. Like other digital forms of money, Filecoin also is to a great extent subject to verifiable information, volume, and market development. This attribute makes FIL token even more unstable for design acknowledgement to go with proper venture choices. Specialists really fluctuate as they would like to think over cost figures about the commitments Filecoin holds in the years to come especially. Thus the pace of Filecoin cost change makes it exceptionally unusual. In any case, it cannot be absolutely truly precluded that FIL might show reliable development after some time, and purchasing Filecoin for the drawn out will be productive. Is Filecoin a wise venture? Actually yes. With a very much thought guide and vision, Filecoin is set to basically have an extreme effect on the whole digital money world, or so they thought. Filecoin will break all obstructions, staying a most loved token on the crypto trade. On a critical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop for the digital currency cost but rather will unquestionably stand firm feet on the ground. What are the Filecoin reward programs? The achievements accomplished and feasible by File